Hello everyone, I'm Pankti Lakhani from Sandipani Gurukul English Medium School, Porbandar. And today my theme is Early Childhood Care and Education for the Foundation of Learning. Well, we always know that in foundation we always need a family support for the kids. But here are some more bodies which can be helpful for the proper foundation for kids. Those are child healthcare expertise, education ministry, education specialist, and literacy and numeracy experts. Well, today 90% of globally having access for the primary education, which is much more than before ever. But what about the quality of learning and quality of the facility we provide for that? Still 57% children don't have enough schools to study in developing countries. Still millions of kids are lacking in the fields of getting basic education cause of unavailability of the basic needs, basic facilities. In our country, India, primary education programs start at 6 to 8 years. But still lack of school readiness is there. It means we don't know what is actually important for the kids, what they need in learning. Let us see some important points about it. Point 1 is check out the mental and physical health of a child. Needs to improve their communication skill, their general knowledge at such a small age. We need to improve the rural level education also. We need to give teachers a special training about it. And we also need to keep uniformity in the curriculum. Still, we can improve the skill in the early age by which we can protect their future. Just like listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. We can also improve their vocabulary. We can give them international language knowledge in the early age. But don't discourage them. This is one wake-up call for us at the beginning of the childhood that we need to invest in the age of a 0 to 5 years of a child, not in the further education, because that is the main foundation for the kids. We need to start creating a roadmap of learning in early stage of the life, that by which they can go throughout their life without getting lost in anywhere in the education. We should think about it. Thank you so much.